What do you think, Griffin? What do you have, Griffin? Did you get a new toy? Did you get a new toy? You know that Finn thinks that's his. He thinks that's his. Oh, no, Finn. No, inside voice. Inside voice. It's a good boy. And that's my glove that fell on the floor. Can I have that? Can I have that? That's mine. That's not for puppies.
From Saturday, heading into
No. Can I have that, please? Thank you. Good boy. You can have this. You can have this. What is that? What is that, Finn? What is that? Oh, goodness. Get that and play with it. Yeah, get that and play with it. Oh, there you go. Oh, good boy. Good boy. What do you guys think? New kitty condo? How exciting. Where you at, Finn? What you doing? What you doing? Look what we had to buy the kitties because of you. Huh? Huh?
I like the excuse.
Okay, so we were going to buy it anyway, but...
It's all your fault.
Huh? Give those kitties some high places to go. Look at you guys. You're liking that. Oh, Tessa, what you got there? Pull yourself up, Ish. Oh, Kramer, your butt's hanging over while you're eating. Oh, Tessa, are you getting Ishkabibble? Can you get over there okay, Ish? Well, not with her bopping you.
As long as I'm not getting whacked in the head.
Can you get over there? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Should I turn it so you can get to that one? Actually, you could probably do it if...
I was going to say she can as long as she's not getting smacked.
You. Oh, Tessa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at you up there.